with one final offer for you. This is the last one, and you do not want to miss this because it is potentially the most profitable of all of them. I'm going to keep this very short and to the point. This is your one opportunity to grab a reseller license for Buzzious. By the way, we're limiting this to 250 licenses, so if you're seeing this video, it's not too late, but the doors will be closing anytime now. So right there, I know some of you are already clicking the order button because I know that you know the value of a reseller opportunity like this. And that's good because it really is an amazing value with a super easy potential return on investment. And I'll explain why this reseller opportunity is even better than the reseller licenses that you may have seen in the past. First, this license allows you to sell Buzzious and keep 100% of the profits. As you've seen, Buzzious is a very helpful and very compelling application, which is, of course, why you just invested in it. With this license, you can then turn around and sell it to others, and you keep the money. We're not charging you any commissions or royalties. Now, what really sets this apart from other opportunities that you may have seen in the past is that you don't have to install or host any of the software yourself. You're selling memberships to our Buzzious platform, so it's already set up for you. You don't have to worry about the server or the technical side of running a software as a service. We handle all of that. And that's huge because there's a massive amount of resources that go into hosting a cloud-based application like this. We're hosting and managing thousands and thousands of assets and customer accounts, which takes a lot of server power. Furthermore, we'll even support your customers, which I think is a little crazy, but my partners on this said, yep, we want to support them. So there you go. That alone is a crazy valuable component of this reseller license because it makes this a truly passive income opportunity for you. You sell it and then we support it. So in a nutshell, this is your chance to sell an in-demand site building application that is Buzzious with done-for-you tech setup and product delivery and customer support included. All you have to do is collect your 100% of the profits and spend it how you want. And you can do this with no technical skills or coding skills, no crazy startup investment, no dealing with developers, no need to hire support staff. Just grab this reseller license and start selling Buzzious and keep 100% of the profits. Again, we're limiting this to 250 licenses, so don't wait. Grab yours now. Again, we're not taking any royalties, even if you sell this to thousands of customers and make millions of dollars. So long as you grab your reseller license during this special one-time offer for our new customers only, you'll be getting it for a one-time investment with no more payments due to us. That means that you can potentially make your investment back with just one sale. Now, that's an easy return on investment. So go ahead and click the order button now to grab your reseller license. Even though this reseller opportunity stands on its own, we're throwing in another 9 huge bonuses to put this completely over the top with value. These are all different bonuses from the ones I showed you for the Elite Edition upgrade, by the way. With this upgrade, you're getting the WordPress automation secrets, social media automation, online home business playbook, GDPR Cookie Express WordPress plugin, the Mascot Creator Bundle, free list building tools, video series, testimonial tool creator, the marketing color generator, and the simple membership generator. Again, any one of those bonuses is worth more than we're asking for this entire reseller license opportunity. And all of them are components that can help you in your own business. This is an entire done-for-you sales funnel. We've already done all the work of setting it up. We've developed the application. We're hosting it. We're maintaining it. We created all the sales copy, the sales pages, and the graphics. We have a support system in place to support your customers. And you get to leverage all of that by grabbing this license for a small one-time fee today. Once again, we're only selling 250 of these licenses, so grab yours now before it's too late. If you'd like to add a passive income stream to your business, this is your chance. Please click the order button below and start cashing in with this incredible opportunity.